Hello and welcome everyone to Variety Stick, and we back again for another unboxing and another flip phone from TCL. Today I do have the Flip for 5G. So this is a 5G flip phone. So in this video I will walk you through, do the initial setup, show you the main specifications and the main feature for the TCL Flip 4 available through Metro by T-Mobile. And please make sure to subscribe to the channel if you haven't. Give me a thumbs up. And without any further ado, let's find out. Now the Flip 4 is the fourth Flip series from TCL, and the phone will be available in most of the US carriers and also available through Metro by T-Mobile. For Metro customers that they want to join Metro by T-Mobile, they should be able to get the phone for free, rather if they're gonna switch number or if they're gonna start a new service. And Metro offer talk text unlimited for $25 if you are interested in just such a basic device like the Flip 4. And for non-Metro by T-Mobile customer willing to buy the phone outright from TCL as unlocked, the phone will be available for $59 US. And now we're gonna start do the unboxing, show you the box, the content, the main specification. So the box, as you see, it's a chunky box. That means the phone has a removable battery, removable back, and a charger, which is a great addition from TCL, as well as the main specs: 3000 milliamp battery. For people say this is not enough, this is a flip phone, does not use much juice. The phone also is not gonna support quick charge. That's just a basic device. So the main screen is gonna be 3.2 inches and the secondary screen is gonna be around 2 inches. The phone has large keys, which is something good, especially for senior citizens. They're willing to buy just a basic device, noise cancelling, and HD voice with hearing aid, which is a great addition for the device. Now after we crack the sealing, let's go ahead and open. First thing we're going to see the phone. Let me just take it out of the box, and the battery is installed already. I see the back of the phone actually also installed. That seems like the phone does not have removable battery. I was completely wrong in the beginning of the video, because what we used to see from TCL with their flip devices, that the phone has removable battery. So this phone, it doesn't seem like it has removable battery. As you guys can see, very decent size for the screen, and the keys of the phone has a nice textures here. And I believe the keys, it seems like high quality keys, as you guys see. And the other keys over here is going to be okay. And then we have D-pad to go through the icons and the main menu. And also we have a back key, we have hang up button and power key, answer key, and notification key, as you guys can see. Let me just leave this on the side and look what's inside the box. Here you go. And also it seems like TCL, they're not including a charger in a flip phone, and the phone has SIM ejector tool. Means this phone doesn't have SIM card underneath of the battery, which is something weird. I've never seen this before in a flip phone, but it seems like flip phone taking the same trend as the smartphone. No charger and a SIM tray, non-removable battery. And that's, I believe, everything inside the box. So we're gonna take this away and focus on the phone itself. And also that's another look from the back of the phone. The phone has rough feeling with some texture, and I believe TCL did this on purpose to make the phone not slippery in the hands, so it's not gonna slip out of your hand easily. And also we have a shiny glass from here. Give the phone a nice look with TCL logo. And of course the phone does have C type to charge the device, headphone jack, and the camera, it's gonna be over here. And I believe this is custom button, you can adjust it if you want, call the emergency or anything else. You flip the phone just like this and turn the phone on. Since the battery, everything is included, the phone should power on. Now we're gonna let the phone boot, and we're gonna come back and show you the first initial setup if you just purchased the phone for the first time. So I'm gonna walk you through everything. Now once you boot the phone for the first time, you're going to get this screen. It's going to teach you what each button does on the phone. For example, we have the notification button over here. It tells you to go ahead and click on it. So let's go ahead and just follow. And then it asks me to click on the OK key. By doing this, is going to take me to another function, and that's going to be another key right there. And it seems like the phone trying to teach you these keys, how it works. And don't worry, I'm gonna also walk you through everything. So first thing, you're gonna select the language. Let's go ahead and choose English and hit on the OK key. The D-pad will take you up, down, left, right. So go ahead and hit select. Now if you need next, you need to press this key over here. So that's if you want to connect to Wi-Fi. And by the way, the phone takes two SIM, eSIM and just a regular physical SIM. Normally Metro does not ship this SIM card in the box. You just have to buy it separate, or the store will give it to you. Now if we want to connect to Wi-Fi, we have to hit on select and then enter the password. But if you don't, you can just go ahead and click next. The phone should bypass the Wi-Fi. And then it asks you if you want to download the eSIM, since the phone does not come with a SIM, so you have the option to do eSIM. I'm not going to activate the phone, but if you do, you have to download the eSIM and then contact the carrier and have them get the phone active. Now we're going to hit escape. Now for the location, it's optional if you want the phone to see your location, so you must allow. So I'm going to allow, and then just choose where you are. On the other state, and then you just have to agree on these terms and condition, and you can click next and accept, and that must open the main menu and the device. A few more keys and functions. The phone also trying to teach you how you navigate and use the device. Also the phone trying to tell you about the operating system, that you can download specific apps. I believe the phone does support Facebook, WhatsApp, etc. Let's go ahead and click OK, and we're gonna get the menu. Normally if you have any notification, rather text message, notification from Facebook, WhatsApp, you should go to this key located on the left, and the phone must show you what you have missed. And I believe this is the back key over here, and that always takes us to the main menu. Also the phone has shortcut for contacts. If you just click the right key over here, now because the phone is brand new, does not have any contact over there, but you can add the contact. As well as there is another function here on the middle, that's if you press OK, the phone will take you to the main menu. And we're gonna have a lot of options over here, such as the store. As I explained, you are required to have account, of course, contacts, call logs, in case if you want to check your missed calls and stuff like that. Also the phone does have a browser. Again, as I said, this is not touch phone, so dealing and using the phone, especially for internet, is not going to be that easy. And then we have a news, weather applications, gallery. Once you take the pictures, as you know, the phone does come with the camera. It's going to be just basic 5 megapixel camera. Messages, camera, and also you can go down. The phone does have a voice recorder. We have utility. Let me just take you inside the utility, such as calculator and calendar. Now if I want to go back, I just click on the back key, and then we have a few games that's pre-installed, and you have Google Assistant, which is something nice. Also we have a clock, so if you want to set up alarm, set a clock, stopwatch, you're going to find it over there. And maps. You are required to have data plan if you want to use maps. That should be also Google Maps. YouTube if you want to watch some videos, and we have a music player, does support MP3. Now if you want to go to the settings, and we're going to have some settings for the network. You can navigate through this, or you can go with the D-pad to the right to take you to a different settings, such as the sound, display and search, privacy and security, storage, device and account. And that's pretty much everything about the device. The phone is very basic, as I said, for someone maybe just want to make and receive phone call. Maybe they need maps, they need a stopwatch, they need alarm, a watch, it's going to be available. We have another screen over here. Normally you get to see the time, notifications, and some information, and the caller ID. If somebody call you, all you have to do is flip to answer, and that's why TCL called this phone a flip. This is going to be the fourth in the series. The third model was great from TCL. My concern that this phone does not come with removable battery as the other, but I believe that should not be a big deal. Even if you have a problem with a frozen device, I'm going to make more videos to show you how to install the SIM card, if you want to add SD card, of course, and also if the phone has been frozen, what you need to do to reset the device, so that way you do not need to buy another phone. Seems like this is just a decent basic device for certain people. So if you do like a flip phone, that's one I would highly recommend based on the price of the phone. And that's very much it for that video. I wish you guys find it helpful and you enjoy watching. And if you have a question, leave it in a comment below. Thank you so much everyone for watching, and this is Variety Stick 2, and we will talk to you in another video.